Hi everyone. Today's video I will be talking about this new perfume. So it's from Zara and it's like unboxing video, but actually I already unboxed it like 1 week ago, and then I kept using it and I kept using it and I kept enjoying it. So this perfume I bought it because it's from Zara, okay? It's from Zara perfume. So I bought it because I was just coming back from the Middle Eastern perfume shop and I felt very heavy feeling because the perfumes that I smelled in Middle Eastern shop were like very heavy and everything was like with oud, and there was nothing really that I too much enjoyed that particular day. So I went to the Zara shop and I kept smelling those perfumes, and so many of them were fresh and really easy to was easy to decide to buy them, and I bought few of them, and this is one of them. So when you smell this perfume, it's fresh, fruity, and really type of fresh, fruity, and nice. It's nice, it's feminine, and it's refreshing. I don't know if this perfume is unisex, but actually it has a black currant, and then it has a rose, and then it has ambroxan. That ambroxan probably makes it feel very fresh. So when you smell it, you smell that black currant, it's pretty clear. Black currant. So black currant type of fruity smell is nothing too complicated. It doesn't last long. You would need to respray it. Like, it's nothing too major. But actually, if you mix it with other perfumes, for an example, today my choice was this one. I mixed them together just to reach some kind of different smells, different level of perfume that if I would smell only this one, maybe it would be completely different, than if I would spray it on its own, this perfume. So I keep kind of mixing them up together. I also have this another 13 perfume, which I need to do video for you. That one is really, I like another 13 more than this one. It's by Le Labo, this perfume. This is not Zara, it's Le Labo. It's a very, very expensive perfume. Basically, it's a very, very expensive perfume, this perfume, guys. But as I'm talking about this Zara perfume, so it's really worth to have a look. This is a new range that they released, and there are many other titles. I bought something with the name of something begins with Moon. I forgot what it is. Is it Moon? I will do video there for you guys, and I will unbox those other ones that I purchased. So Eternal Devotion. So let's smell it again. It's pleasant, guys. The only downside that it doesn't last long. It's not gonna repulse other people. It's not gonna wow other people as well, but it smells pleasant. It smells like something that you could wear at your workplace. It smells something that you could just spray it anytime. It's not heavy, it's easily sprayable, it's easily mixable with you can easily mix it with any other perfume. It's an easygoing perfume, and it's I prefer this range more than those other old perfumes that Zara used to make. Like, for example, Zara Gardenia, it's a bit more heavy, and Zara, there are those other ones, Oriental. You remember those Oriental perfume by Zara was also nothing too nice there. It's kind of those type of perfumes, so this one is better. It's more with quality. I don't actually even know what's the who's is it Jo Malone or who is this behind these perfumes, but it's pretty well done and it's pretty recommended, guys. But also it will not like wow you too much, but it will be perfume that you will be able to wear it every day, especially when you go to your work, or maybe you go to meet your friend, or maybe you go just simply to do shopping and you don't want to spray other perfume that would be too heavy. So that's the story, guys. I will come back to you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you soon.